I think any Māori seat is a seat that Māori should stand for, and the reasons that I'm standing, one, it gets me closer to home, being not from Tauranga, but more Mōtītī, Te Patuai and Ngāti Awa, and I decided that it's even more important this election because New Zealand gets to vote on all the Māori seats across the motu. This gives me the opportunity to advocate for that. This seat is a seat that is voted for Māori, by Māori, which means that we get to at least have that one voice that advocates not only for mana whenua, but for mātāwaka across Tauranga Moana. I think one of the things that we don't do well as whānau hapu and iwi is we don't tell our story. In fact, we try and get those stories across mainstream and they don't seem to be interested. As a councillor, I will have the responsibility of speaking at different Pākehā events as a councillor, and that's where we would actually show and tell the successes of our people.